Good morning. Today we will do the online section of Standard 7th, Subject English, Unit 2, Subunit 2.2. The Souvenir. Many of us may have visited many exotic places in this world and brought something home from there. That thing in memory of the place is called as souvenir. A thing that is kept as a reminder of a person, place or event is called a souvenir. It is also called as memento. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to travel in space? I'm sure you all must be very excited about traveling to space. And travel to space is also known as space exploration. So today we are going to learn about the souvenir where we have a young girl who is just about as old as you, who has this opportunity to travel to the moon. With the tip of her nose pressed to the window of the space shuttle. Space shuttle refers to rocket. Siley sat gazing at the view outside for so long. Gazing means look steadily and intently. Still, she didn't seem to be contented. She was looking, but contented means to be satisfied. She had read the description of this view several times before and had seen this scene on the video too. But this was different. Reading the description was one thing, watching the pictures and the videos captured by the camera was another. But getting an opportunity to view that amazing panorama with your own eyes, being present physically right in the midst of it, was an indeed out of the world experience. No matter how long she sat gazing, her awe and wonder did not seem to abate. Here, panorama means a view or a photograph containing a wide view, meaning of abate, to reduce. So, Siley had read about all this and she has seen also the videos, but this is the time where she is experiencing practically. She is experiencing all the things which she had read. Practically, she is seeing everything from her eyes. She is observing what she has read, everything right in front of her. So that was really, she had no words for it. It was just out of the world experience for her. As you must have read about a place, you must have seen the videos, but when you are practically seeing, that means when you are experiencing that, so how will be your experience? That will be just out of the world. The earth gradually appeared to get smaller and smaller in the sky. The azure blue sky was now looking jet black, meaning of azure, clear blue color. The clouds had disappeared and the stars were shining bright. This trip to the moon was exorbitantly expensive, but still Siley's mother had sent her on the trip. Exorbitantly means extremely expensive, too costly. It was very expensive, but still Siley's mother had sent her. Why? What is the reason? Because she wanted her daughter to just grab that opportunity. She had not got that opportunity, but she wanted at least her daughter should go for it. In her in our childhood, we could not even think of such long distance trips. The longest trip meant going to Europe. If you are getting this opportunity, make the most of it, said Mummy. Mummy said that I had not got the opportunity. For them, the longest trip was only going to Europe. So The most of it, mother wanted that her daughter Siley should go for it. She has not got the opportunity, but at least my child Siley is getting an opportunity, so she should grab that opportunity. Was the thinking of mother. Oh, mummy, Neha's grandmother was saying that in their childhood, the longest trip for school children used to be only up to Delhi or Kolkata. So it seems so funny, isn't it? Said Siley laughingly. Remembering the incident made her laugh even now. Now the shuttle was getting closer and closer to the moon. It was almost reaching closer and closer to the moon. Then it started orbiting the moon. In every 32 minutes, the shuttle completed one revolution around the moon. Okay, so in every 32 minutes, the shuttle completed how many? One revolution around the moon. Okay, I'll just continue this again. Thank you.